A minor. The A minor, it has a similar shape to the E major, and we play the A minor like this. We leave the A string open. We don't play the low E string up here. We play the 2nd fret, middle finger D string, 2nd fret, ring finger on the G, and then index, 1st fret on the B string, and then leave the high E string open. Your thumb is always flat. We're gonna have a flat thumb, as you can see. It's flat, not curved like this. We don't do that, we flatten it. And then we check our work. So individually pluck with your thumb right here. I want you to strum with your hand, fingers, down, up, thumb. Practice.